Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download PowerPoint step by step. I'll be walking through this on Windows. First, open any web browser and go to office.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. Enter your Microsoft account email and password. This needs to be the account link to your Microsoft 365 subscription. After you sign in, you should see your account name at the top of the page with a button to install the apps. Next, look in the top right corner of the page for the Install Office button. It might say Install Office or Install Apps depending on your account. Click that button. A small menu will drop down with a few options. Click on Install Office Apps from that menu. Another option will appear. Look for Microsoft 365 apps or Office 365 apps. Click that option to start the download. Your browser will now download the installer file. Depending on which browser you're using, you'll see a slightly different prompt. If you're using Edge, click Run at the bottom of the window. If you're using Chrome, click Setup. If you're using Firefox, click Save File and then open the file from your Downloads folder. Windows will show you a security prompt asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The installer window will open and the installation will start automatically. This process pulls everything it needs from the internet, so it'll take a few minutes depending on your connection speed. You'll see a progress bar showing the installation status. When it finishes, you'll see a message that says you're all set and Office is installed now. An animation will play showing you where to find the Office apps on your computer. Click Close on that final window. To open PowerPoint, click the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen and type PowerPoint in the search box. It should appear right away. Click it to launch the app. A couple of quick notes. The first time you open PowerPoint, it may activate automatically, or you might need to accept the license terms. If it asks you to sign in again, use the same Microsoft account you used to download it. The download gives you the full desktop version of PowerPoint along with all the other Office apps like Word and Excel, so you'll find those in your Start menu as well. You'll need an active Microsoft 365 subscription to use all the features. If you don't have one yet, you'll get a 5-day trial after installation. And that's all there is to it.